My name is Roy and I'll be in 3rd grade YLOC. So the first one we're doing is greater than, less than, or equal to. So how greater than and less than and equal to work is the mouth. The mouth shows that this number is the greater number and this side is the smaller number. So 59 and 63. We're supposed to find which was the greater number and which was the least small number. So as you know, 63 is greater than 59. So this one is gonna be like this, because 63 is bigger. Okay, number 4. Number 4, the numbers are equal, so there is no greater nor less than. So this one we're supposed to put equal, because it's two same numbers. Okay, 6 and 28. 28 is larger than 6, because it's a 2-digit number and 6 is a 1-digit number. So this one will go like this. And 11 is 26 and 83. 83 is larger than 26, so the sign goes like this. We're going to do division. Number 1 is 18 divided by 2. So how you write it is the second number goes in the first place, and then you write this, which shows that it's a division sign, and 18. This is how you write it. So what you do is you see if 2 could go into 1. Since that can't go into 1, since 2 can't go into 1, you try it with 18. 2 could go into 18 because 2 times 9 is 18. So it would go 9 above here. And if you check that, 2 times 9 equals 18. So you would write 18, and then you will subtract both these, which equals 0. And when you get 0, that's when you get your answer. Okay, 25 divided by 5. You write it as 5 divided by 25. And you see if it goes into 2, which it doesn't. So you try putting it into 25. And 5 times 5 equals 25. So you put 5 over here, and then you do 25. Subtract it, and since it equals 0, that means 5 is the answer. Okay, 6 divided by 8. 16. So it's 8 divided by 16, and you see if 8 goes into 1, it doesn't, and it goes into 16. It goes in twice, so 8 times 2 is 16. You subtract it, which equals 0, so this one is 2. 6 divided by 48. You see if it goes into 4, which it doesn't, so you put into 48, and if you do that, it goes 8. And 8 times 6 equals 48. You subtract it, and that equals 0. So this one's 8. Okay, now we're going to do multiplication. So 8 times 2. What that basically means is 8 dots, and you have 2 of each. And if you count all of those, that equals 16. Or you could do 8 plus 8 or 2 plus 2 plus 2 8 times, and you would get 16. Okay, 7 times 2. That also means 7 dots, and then you have 2 in each. And if you count that, you get 14. Or you could add 7 plus 7 or 2 plus 2 plus 2 7 times. 14. Okay, 1 times 6. Whenever you multiply any number by 1, it just stays at the exact same number because you're just multiplying by 1. So 6 times 1, that equals 6. 5 times 9. 5 times 9 basically means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 9 times, or you could do 9 plus 9 plus 9 5 times. And if you do that, you get 45. And 10 times 3, that basically means 10 plus 10 plus 10, or you could do 3 plus 3 plus 3 10 times, and if you do that, you get 30. Now we're going to word problems. So the first one says Mark cooked the turkey from 2:15 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. How many hours did Mark cook the turkey? So he cooked it from 2:15 p.m. to 16:15 p.m. So we're supposed to find how many hours he cooked. So we have to subtract the time. So 6:15 minus 2:15. So these cancel out. So we're left with 6 minus 2 equals 4, and it's 4. No, this doesn't count. So it's 4 hours. Caitlin has read 28 pages of a book. The book has a total of 68 pages. How many more pages does Caitlin left to read? So at this situation, we also have to subtract because we're going to find how many pages she has left to read. So 68 minus 28, that equals this one 0. 6 minus 2, which is 40. So she has 40 pages left. Okay, Sam bought yogurts that cost $4 each. If he buys 5 packs, how many has Sam spent on his yogurt? So each of the yogurt costs $4, and if he bought 5 packs, we're supposed to multiply because we're supposed to find how much he spent. So he has yogurts, and there's 5 in each. And if we count that up, that's 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So he spent $20 on buying yogurts.